Today we're at the Ocean Builder Factory. We just laid out the floor plan for the EcoPod, so I'm going to take you through a walkthrough. So basically we're on the ground now and we will walk underneath the main pod itself, and we walk into the spar. When we walk into the spar, it would be a spiral staircase that will bring us up to the main floor. And now we're on the main floor, we can look out and we see it's all open glass view. So when we step into the main living room space, we have to our left the kitchen, and to our right is the sofa and dining room. So we step over here to our left, we would have the counter space. We would have a fridge right here, some counter space. We have a stove, oven, and a counter space with the sink. And in this area right here would be a kitchen nook with stools. And then we step over here to the front of the EcoPod. We have sliding doors, bifold doors, and then we can step into the deck area. So on the deck we can have a small table and chairs. And then we have this whole ocean view that we have, or the forest view. And then basically we step back into the living area and we go to our left, and it'd be the sofa, a little computer desk, and this is a wall right here that leads into the bedroom. So we walk into the bedroom here, and then right to our right we would have the bathroom, and then we would have a toilet and the vanity, and then we would have a sliding door for a shower. The vanity area is a half wall so that we can still continue to see the view. And we walk inside, we have a king size bed. We can walk around the bed and we have a night table or dresser. And then we walk through this section we have storage compartments, and then we turn and we walk downstairs. When we walk downstairs, we walk underneath the bed, and then we'll have a washer, dryer, refrigerator, and storage area. And all the bottom of the EcoPod will be storage facility. So we walk back in, we walk back up the stairs, we walk into the bedroom. And this was all glass, so we see the view of the forest or the ocean. And then we're back into the main living area. So as you can see, it's quite spacious. There's lots of area. We have a nice deck that we can entertain guests on. And this is the EcoPod.